fresh off of the router table and all of our pieces have their nice profiled edge. We did some with a round over, some with a chamfer bit. Now we're at our sanding station and we're gonna work up through our grits to get our pieces to final finish. So we're gonna be using our 5-inch SurfPrep sander. We're gonna work up through the grits. We're gonna start with 120, 150, 180 and finish with 220. We're also going to try out these foam pads. There's a medium and a fine pad. Some of these will be good for some of our rougher edges that will tear up our sandpaper on some of these live edge charcuterie boards. So that's a really cool feature of this system. So let's jump into it. I can't say enough good things about this SurfPrep sanding system. Not only the power that you can see here, it just melts through that epoxy, giving us a great finish, but also the dust collection. The dust collection was wonderful. If you've worked with epoxy before, you know that white dust can just get everywhere, and it can get clogged up on your paper as well and then cause you issues. But just super impressed with not only the power of the sander itself, but also the high efficiency of the dust collection. So here we're putting on our foam disc. Again, this is unique to the SurfPrep system in that the foam kind of allows the paper to bend and give around edges like this, where you want it to, kind of help bend around that edge. And I had nothing but good things to say about this. You can just see how those sharp edges from the router table smooth out. And then on the inside, we got to use our hand sander. This is a micro zip sander for, the stuff we can't reach. But overall, just super impressed with this whole sanding system. Now it's time for the most satisfying moment of the entire project, getting some oil on these boards, seeing the grain, and all these colors pop out. We're also going to be using some wood wax on the small wooden coasters. We're fresh off the sanding table and over here for the fun part, final finishing. So we're going to use a combination of Walrus oil, cutting board oil, and the wood wax. There'll be a link in this video to these products, but what I like to do is wear my gloves. I've got these, or you can use anything that'll get the workpiece elevated so that it can properly drip dry after you apply the oil. So let's have some fun, let's make a mess, and let's see all these final colors and wood grains pop out.